Good morning. We're taking a look at gold, and from going to lows of 1266, we bounced and we closed quite a good level at 1285. Smidge off today, but we're still long of gold at the lower levels, and I can't see any reason really to bail from that at the moment. I will if we start to go back through 1281, and the reason for that is this little line here. Really, this was the break point. Down we come, we closed above it. What I don't want to see is that we reject this 1288 high and start to come back down here again. Now if we look at the stochastics and the technical indicators, you can see the RSI is pointing lower but neutral. Our weekly stochastics are at extreme overbought levels and flattening out, beginning to turn higher. But again, it is this line, it is the break point, and if we can't hold above it, we're not going to go up and test where I thought, which is around the 1292, where you've got the 9 and 21 week moving averages coming in. That really needs to be taken out for us to continue to go higher, hopefully towards that 1309, 1310 level once again. If we stay below here, or we start to trade back through 1281, I think the buyers are going to go, do you know, that's it, had enough, and they will start to leap out of their long positions. At the moment, gold's looking okay on the weekly chart. So let's pop over and take a look at the daily. Again, you can see that line a lot clearer on the daily chart, and so you can see the big topping pattern, which is why I'm a little bit loath to hang on to gold if we do start to break down through that quite significant support, because there is that topping pattern and there is a 1204 measured target off of that pattern. So all in all, you need to be a bit cautious, I think, and as long as it stays where it is, we should be fine. If you look at the ROC on the daily, you can see we're just turning off of the zero line, pointing lower. The daily RSI is pointing lower, although the stochastics are still quite positive. But it all depends. I mean, with these indicators, it's absolutely fine to look at them, but they are just a backup to what the price action's doing and the patterns that we see. And the price action on Friday was very, very good. Can we sustain it today? We can see. I mean, don't forget, we can always cover and go back into gold at lower levels, or if we can actually see that the market is going to take notice of this major topping pattern up here, we'll sell it, we'll go short. You know, we don't really care if it's going up and down as long as we're the right way round on the position. We're not too bothered about where it's going. We use these, as I say, we use these technical indicators just as a guide, but our eyes and our focus should be on the price action, because that's what runs the market. Where can we go if we break 81? Well, there's no reason we can't go back and take out last week's low at 66. You've got a bit of support round about the 1277 area. You've got all these little lows down here at 1274. You've got that 38.2 fib coming in, as you can see, at 1274 as well. So there are reasons why the market held up that time. I mean, when we looked at this day here, what it actually did is went down, took out the stops, went straight the way back up. Let's see what happens. Let's see what Monday brings us in gold. But just bear in mind these levels. They are very, very important. Good luck. I'll catch you on the desk later.